Hello students, today we will study page number 155. So in last class we were talking about the types of volcanoes. So here the third type of volcano. Extinct volcanoes are those that have not erupted for at least 10,000 years and is not expected to erupt again in the future. Mount Kulal in Kenya and Mount Buninyong in Australia are extinct volcanoes. Here the extinct volcanoes that was erupted in the many years ago. It was near about 10,000 years ago and there is no chance of erupted again in the future. So these type of volcanoes are known as extinct volcanoes. Mount Kulal, it is in Kenya, and Mount Banyan in Australia. These are two examples of the extinct volcanoes. Vent, an opening that allows air, gas or liquid to pass out of a confined space. Here the meaning of the vent is given. Meaning of vent is it is an open space from where the air, gas, liquid, these of things can come out from a space. Good to know. A large 40,000 kilometer area in the Pacific Ocean is where nearly 90% of the world's earthquakes occur. It has more than 75% of the world's active volcanoes. This horseshoe-shaped area is known as the Ring of Fire. Here in Pacific Ocean, there is an area that is near about the 40,000 kilometers. Here the world's earthquakes, near about 90% earthquakes are coming in that place. And here 75% world's active volcanoes are also present there. And its shape is as the horseshoe shaped. Its shape is horseshoe and it is known as the Ring of Fire. Here activity is given. Activity 1. Aim to make a volcano model. With this activity, you can learn to make a model of the volcano. Materials required. Here the things are given that you have to use to make this model. 6 cups flour, 2 cups salt, 4 tablespoons cooking oil, warm water, plastic bottle, detergent, food coloring, vinegar, large tray or baking dish, 2 tablespoons baking soda. So these are the things which you will use to make this model. Procedure. Here the method is given how you will make this model. Mix flour, salt, oil and water to make a smooth and firm dough. Stand the bottle in the middle of the tray or baking pan and shape the dough around it into a volcano shape. Next, fill the bottle more than halfway with warm water. Add a bit of red food color. 6 drops of detergent helps to trap the bubbles produced by the reaction to form better lava and 2 tablespoons baking soda. Now slowly pour vinegar into the mixture in the bottle. So in this method, firstly you have to mix flour, salt, oil and water. And by mixing it, you have to make a dough. Dough is like a paste which should be smooth and it should be firm. Means water amount should not be more. It should be little bit strong. Now stand the bottle in the middle of the tray or baking pan. You have to take a tray or the baking pan and you have to put the bottle in the middle of this tray. Then you have to use the dough to make the shape of the volcano. You have to use the dough to make the shape of the volcano. Now you have to fill the bottle more than half with warm water. You have to use the warm water to fill the bottle, but remember that it should not be completely filled, it should be more than half. Then you have to add a bit of red food color. You will use the food color. Then 6 drops of detergent. Then you will use the detergent and it will help to trap the bubbles that will be produced during the reaction, and it will looks like a lava. Then you have to use 2 tablespoon baking soda. You have to put the tablespoon in the 2 tablespoon baking soda in it. Now you have to slowly pour vinegar into the mixture in the bottle. Remember that you have to pour slowly. Vinegar should be poured very slowly. Always keep in mind, whenever you are going to do something experiment or something activity, always keep patience. So you have to pour the vinegar very slowly. Observation. Then you will see, when vinegar is added, it reacts with baking powder to produce carbon dioxide gas, which erupts out of the bottle, mimicking a volcano. When you will add the vinegar, it will react with baking soda. Between the vinegar and baking soda, the reaction will take place, and then the carbon dioxide gas will come out of the bottle, and it will look like the volcano. Floods and cyclone. Sometimes very heavy rain causes the water levels in rivers to rise and they overflow. The water then flows into nearby land, causing floods. Often the flow of water is very strong. It damages crops, roads, houses, and other property. Electric lines, water supply, and communication networks get affected. There is shortage of food, drinking water, and shelter. Waterlogging lasting for several days causes unhygienic conditions leading to outbreak of diseases such as cholera, malaria, and dengue. Many people and animals may die due to drowning, hunger, thirst, or diseases. Sometimes whenever the heavy rains comes, it causes the increase of the water level in the rivers. When the water level gets high in the rivers, it start overflowing from side by side, and this water flows cause the floods. Because of this water flows, floods started, and its water flow sometimes get very strong, and because of this water flow, near about the things that comes in the way of the water, it gets damaged. It may be the crops, road, houses, and other things. Electric lines, water supplies, and communication networks, these also get damaged, and it also get affected. It gets completely disturbed and not worked properly. Here, shortage of food, drinking water, and shelter, these also gets affected. Many places water logging gets collected, lot of water collected in a particular place for the many days, and where the water get stagnant, it increases the diseases. So here unhygienic conditions get started, and result of this, many type of diseases starts like the cholera, malaria, and dengue. Because of this floods, many people and animals die due to the drowning, hunger, thirst, and diseases. During the water flow, many animals and human beings also get drowned in the water and they get died. Because of the shortage of food, hunger, thirst, they also get die, and many of get died because of the diseases. So students, here it was of page number 155. All of you watch the video and study it. Thank you students.